So today I'm just going to talk a little bit more about how you say the Norwegian vowels. I know they create some trouble for foreigners, so I thought if you see me when I say them and you see where my mouth is, I thought that might help a little bit. So I will start from the top with A and then go down with the vowels. So I'll say them a few times. So the first one, ah, ah. As you can see, my mouth is opened. Ah. Then we have eh, eh, eh. And there my mouth is more, I don't know, maybe not a smile, but it's definitely wider. Instead of saying ah, it's more of a eh. Then we have e, e. Then we have oo, oo, ooh. And there my mouth definitely goes out more, as you can see. And then we have oo for you. Ooh, ooh. And there it definitely looks like my mouth is in the same position as when I say ooh, which is O. And I would say when I say ooh, it's definitely a little bit deeper sound or a deeper pitch than when I say you. Ooh. So yeah, definitely. And then we have for Y. E, 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 and then we have the three Norwegian vowels that we don't have in English. Ah, so open your mouth wide. Ah, ah, Oh. And I'm going to say them one more time from the top, starting with A. And I'm going to come a little closer. Maybe that'll help to see my mouth more. Okay. So, ah, ah, eh, e, e, ooh, 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 e, e, ah, ah, oh. And also, for example, with the difference between oo, o, and u, u, my tongue, when I say ooh, is not touching my teeth, my bottom teeth at all. When I say the oo, the u, my teeth can be touching behind my bottom teeth, but I don't have to have them touching, but I can say it both ways. Ooh, there my tongue was touching behind my bottom teeth. So, one more time. Ooh, ooh. So, okay, well, good luck in saying the Norwegian vowels. I hope that helps. Okay.